Hello all. Quick modification to a Celestron CG2/CG3 analog motor drive. And so what we're going to do is be able to speed it up and slow it down, and also fine adjust the rotation rate. And so what we have here is we've got buttons. So we've got a fast button and a slow button. And inside here we've got a potentiometer to allow slowing it down. There's a 3-wire interface over to the CG2 drive, and we've got ground, power, and signal. And it comes off the twisty potentiometer. It's easier to tap those over here than it is over at the potentiometer at this point. And inside the unit, what we have is just wires and a potentiometer. So we've got fast, slow, potentiometer, and what that looks like on the schematic. Okay, so we've got the mods here. So we're tapping the input to the potentiometer, we're tapping the ground, putting another 100K potentiometer in here, we're grabbing the signal, and we're running it out to fast, slow. So since this is a 10K potentiometer that's normally in there, and this is 100K, we're going to basically be limiting this to 9K, so you're going to slow down the maximum speed slightly. So if you need a fast speed, it's not going to work for you. And this comes from, if you can see the link to the website out here, and it was done by user, let's see if I can find out the user's name, benemorius. And he did the schematic work, I did the mods to the schematic, and want to make sure he gets credit for his hard work doing that schematic. And let's see what it looks like if we're in motion. So we'll put the lid back on. There we go. This is all just cobbled together with parts I had. So now we're rotating. Hopefully you can hear the motor rotating. And see, that's the slow button. And then we got a fast button. Now if you measure the voltage at the control to the ground, you can tune in your speed, matching anything you want, and come back to that speed if you need to. Again, simple circuit. I was surprised I couldn't find this one on the web, but here it is now. It probably is out there someplace. Thanks everybody.